ElevenLabs is the most popular voice AI provider in the market right now, and they have just launched their own conversational AI feature in their platform. So that means we can build AI agents straight into ElevenLabs. We don't need any middleman software to build AI agents or conversational AI. So in this video, I will share with you everything you need to know before you build an AI voice agent in ElevenLabs. So you can see that they published this video around 3 weeks ago, and there are 214k views already, right? And you can see the insane comments like rip call centers. Obviously, if you see this video, you will realize how much human sounding these AI agents are, and this is just a game changer for all of the industry which operates in phone calls, right? So let's jump into ElevenLabs first. So you can sign in ElevenLabs for free, right? You just need to log into ElevenLabs and you will see an interface like this. You already may know this settings or these features: text to speech, voice changer, voice sound effects, but they have just launched this feature which is conversational. Here you can build AI agents, conversational AI agents, and integrate it with your phone numbers, right? So in this video I will show you everything you need to know in ElevenLabs to build an AI agent. So first of all, you just need to click on agent and you will see an interface like this, and you can click on playground. This will provide you a bunch of templates already built. So I will just choose a template and show you everything by there. You can try a call here also. So as you click on support agent and create this agent, it will show you something like this. You will see an interface like this, right? And first setting or first feature in this interface you can see is the agent language. You can select any language out there. So you can see there are plenty of languages provided by ElevenLabs, right? I will set it up to English as the default, right? Now this is the first message. The first message the agent will say, if empty, the agent will wait for the user to start the conversation. So this is the first message which the agent will say when a customer or a client call the agent. Next thing is system prompt. The system prompt is used to determine the persona of the agent. If you are already familiar with Vapi, retail, and this kind of voice AI platform, you know that system prompt is one of the most crucial thing to have in a voice agent or conversational AI. So if you watched my previous videos, you will see I gave a lengthy prompt to each agent so that they can work properly. So I will not show you those lengthy prompts in this video because this is not an in-depth video of building an AI voice agent, and this video will help you to grab the basic understanding of building an AI voice agent in. Next thing is LLM, large language model. You can see a plenty of large language model here. Some is from Google Gemini. There are 3 from Gemini, there are 3 or 4 from OpenAI, and there are 3 from Anthropic, right? So I always prefer GPT-4o, so I will choose it. And next thing is temperature. Temperature is a parameter that controls the creativity or randomness of the response generated by the LLM. So the more you set the temperature high, it will generate more random and creative answers. So the more you set it to low, it will follow the prompt strictly, it will follow the script strictly, and I always prefer to set it low, like 0.30 or maximum to 0.50, right? So then there is limit token usage, which is configure the maximum number of tokens that the LLM can predict. A limit will be applied if the value is greater than 0. So this is the limit token usage which the LLM will use. If you are familiar with limits or tokens or the LLM, you will know that, right? Then the knowledge base, you can provide the LLM any specific kind of knowledge base. If you click on add item, you will see that you can enter file, you can enter URL, you can enter text. And the maximum size in ElevenLabs for knowledge base is 21 MB, and the supported types are PDF, text, docs, HTML, EPUB, right? So then there is tools. If you are familiar with VAPI and retail, you already know what is tools and functions are. Actually it helps us to build flow or automation, so that we can so that the AI agent can have access of more third-party tools, like the CRM or like the calendar, right? If you don't know how these tools work, you can watch my previous videos, right? So after that there is a feature called voice. You need to select the voice. You can select any kind of voice here which you want, so I will set it to default. Then use flash. Flash is our new recommended model for low latency use cases. For more comparison, turbo and flash, refer here. Okay, so you can use flash. It will help the AI agent talk in a low latency, right? So you can check it out and see if it is applicable for your use case, right? Then there is TTS output format. Select the output format you want to use for ElevenLabs text to speech. So you can select anything from here. So then there is pronunciation dictionaries. Here you can enter your maybe company name, your name, and those words which you want to be pronounced correctly or differently, right? So you can add the words here. Then optimize streaming latency. Configure latency optimization for the speech generation. Latency can be optimized at the cost of quality. So you can optimize your speeching latency also. You can also adjust the stability of the voice AI, right? Then there is similarity. This is like the opposite of temperatures. In similarity, you can see higher values will boost the overall clarity and consistency of the voice. Very high values may lead to artifacts or hallucination. In one word, adjusting this value to find the right balance is recommended. So you can test every value or everything to see what is perfect for your use case. I highly suggest you to do that, right? So then you just need to save everything if you change anything, right? Then there is a part called analysis. So in analysis you can see evaluation criteria. So you can define some criteria like is the call is successful or not, and here you can add the criteria and add the prompts. Then you can collect data. You just need to add item. You can collect information like their name, their email, maybe their phone number, their address, something like that. There are many data types. Here you can see string, number, integer, boolean. This is all similar like VAPI and retail, right? If you familiar with them, you can easily handle ElevenLabs, right? If you don't know about VAPI and retail, you can check out my previous videos. In those videos I explain everything from scratch, from beginner point of view, right? So then you will head over to security, and this is something new I saw. So here you can enable authentication. Requires users to authenticate before connecting to the agent. Okay, so if you turn on this, you need authentication before you use the agent or test the agent, right? You can add any specify host or anything, right? You can add host from here with their maybe with their website, right? Then there is kind of enable overrides. So I think this is for choose which part of the configuration can be overridden by the client at the start of the conversation. So this is something you can play around, which you need, which you don't need, right? Which you need, which you don't need, right? So you can play around it. Now then there is a advanced tab, turn time out, the maximum number of seconds since the user last spoke. If a agent call a user and the user is not responding for like 7 seconds, it will ask if if they are busy or something like that. Hello, are you there, this type of things. And maximum conversion duration, you can set maximum conversion duration. So if the conversation duration ends, it will cut the call automatically. Also you can add keywords, like define you can add keywords so that the also you can add keywords like also you can add keywords, define a comma separated list of keywords that have higher likelihood of being predicted correctly. So like you can add here like your company name, your name, maybe anything you want the AI to guess correctly, you can add it here. Then user input audio format, you can choose it. This is the client event, this is something like the end call report we used in VAPI, right? Then you can store call audio, right? Then there is the last section of widget. In widget, I really impressed by this embedded code. You can literally copy this embedded code and paste it in your website, and you will see interface like this in your right corner, right down corner in your website. And they can literally talk to your conversational AI agent and ask them anything without calling with their number, right? So you can just do it. You can change its appearance also, right? You can change the color, the text color, the button color, the border color, focus outline, card radius, button radius, anything you want to do. Then you can add the button like start a call, right? You can have end call button, call to action, listening status, speaking status, everything, right? Everything, right? Also you can make a shareable page, right? Now this is all you need to know in ElevenLabs to build an AI agent. So I will test the agent, and I will show you how you can have the end call reports and the call history, right? So I will test it. Let's call the AI agent.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Hey Eric, how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Just to clarify, my name is Eric. How can I help you today?
uh, um, can I know how you can help me?
Of course, I'm here to assist you with any questions or issues you might have. Whether you need help with a product or service, have technical questions, or just need some information, feel free to ask. How can I assist you today?
So you can see I already have a conversation. I now have a conversation with the AI agent, and now I can have the call logs, right? The history, call logs. I think in conversation you just need to go to conversation. You can see the conversation history here, right? If you click on it, it will show you the transcript, the summary, the transcription, the client data. In overview you can see the summary of the call. You can see the call status is success. You can also listen the recording of
Hi,
the
I'm
call.
Eric. How can I help you today?
You also have the transcription. You can also add client data to retrieve, right? So this is all you need to build, or this is all you need to know in ElevenLabs to build and perfect AI agent. In future videos I will show you how you can build a AI agent, a perfect AI agent in 11 labs with more details. Like in that video I will show you how to use the tools perfectly, how to use the webhooks, and everything I show in retail and Vapi. I will show all the things in 11 labs also. So make sure to subscribe the channel, and if you get any kind of value from this video, you can like this video. It will help me to provide more value, and it will also motivate me a lot. So yeah, this is all for the video. So if you want to know how to build an AI caller especially for real estate using retail especially, you can check this. And if you want to know how to build an AI caller for a restaurant, you can check this right video in the screen.